Okay, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. Some breaking news in athletics. Olympic and World 110-meter hurdles champion Omar McLeod has told his clubmates at TumbleWeed Track Club in Jacksonville, Florida that he is leaving. Multiple sources has confirmed to Sportsmax TV. However, he has not given any reason or indication of where he is headed. His agent Mario Bassani was unable to confirm or deny that the athlete he represents was leaving the club that he had joined in 2019. Once the most feared sprint hurdler in the world after winning the Olympic title in 2016, the World Championship title in 2017 to go along with the World Indoor title, McLeod has hit upon some challenging times in the past few years and had changed coaches several times since he signed a professional contract with Nike in 2015. After leaving coach Rick Case at Arkansas in 2017 for Eldrick Florial, who at the time was at Kentucky, McLeod has since 2018 been coached by Tony Ross before moving to Radar at TumbleWeed. Also during that period, he was disqualified in the 110 hurdles finals at the 2019 World Championship in Doha, and last year lost out on the chance to defend his Olympic title in Tokyo when he finished last in the final of the Jamaica National Championship last summer. He drew the ire of the Jamaican public when he accused the JAAA of not treating him fairly, while indicating that he should be considered for selection to the Jamaican team for the Tokyo Games. As it turned out, two of the top three finishers at the Jamaican Championship, Hansel Parchment and Ronald Levy, won gold and bronze respectively in Tokyo. Breaking news. So Omar McLeod is leaving TumbleWeed. Some more issues for the TumbleWeed Track Club. Alright, we all know about the incident with Blessing Okobari, among other things, charges for the head coach. So let's see. Alright, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Remember, like and subscribe and stay tuned for more breaking news.